If your furnace's delta T keeps climbing, you gotta check a few key things fast so the system doesn't freak out and stop working. So, first off, delta T is basically the temperature difference between the air going into your furnace and the air coming out. When that number starts climbing, it usually means the heat isn't moving right, which can mess up your whole setup. Start by checking the airflow. Make sure the blower is running smoothly and the air filter isn't clogged with dust or pet hair. Dirty filters block airflow, making the furnace work harder and heat unevenly. Next, peek into those ducts to see if any are crushed, blocked, or leaking air. Bad ducts can totally throw off your delta T. Also, take a look at the limit switches and sensors. If they're faulty or dirty, they might give wrong readings and cause the furnace to overheat or shut down unexpectedly. Cleaning or replacing these parts can save a ton of headaches. Remember, catching these issues early keeps your furnace running safe and efficient without burning a hole in your wallet. One of the biggest mistakes techs make when dealing with rising delta T is ignoring airflow problems like dirty filters or blower issues. Fixing those often solves the problem right away. Another common slip-up is skipping the limit switch and sensor inspection. Those parts regulate safety and temperature control, so if they fail, the furnace can overheat or shut off randomly. Last, some forget to check for duct leaks or blockages that mess with airflow balance. Sealing leaks and clearing obstructions can bring delta T back to normal without costly repairs. Fixing these basics helps avoid bigger problems down the road. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect if you need to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle HVAC issues like rising delta T. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for reliable services so everyone wins.